Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mr. Robinson, and we are back with our morning math check-in. Just our word problems, minute math. Yesterday, I posed two questions. I'm going to tackle the first one. Yesterday, the first question was, Tom ate 9 apples. June ate 6 apples. How many apples were ate? So we can easily do the addition, and we can say, hey, listen, Tom ate 9 apples. So if he ate 9 apples, and then June ate 6 apples, I know my greater number, which is 9, is in my head. Whereas my lower number or my lesser number, 6, is in my hand. So if Tom ate 9 and June ate 6, they want to know how many apples were ate. So I got 9 in my head, 6 in my hand. So I say what's in my head, 9. Then I look at my hands, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So altogether, 15 apples were ate. Now, let's look at it because there's many ways that we can solve problems. Number one, we can solve it pictorially. So let's pan around and let's look at the board. So one of the things that we have to remember is let's learn how to write it down. Let's learn how to write it down. So it says Tom ate 9 apples. So the first thing that I can do is I can do it pictorially, meaning that I can draw. So if Tom ate 9 apples, then I'm going to draw 9 apples for Tom, right? So I will write Tom here, and then I'm going to draw 9 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So Tom has 9 apples. Now June, I'm going to write June here. June ate 6 apples. So I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to draw 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now the question is, how many apples were ate? That's the question. Remember, whenever we have a question requires a response. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look here and I'm going to put my equal signs because I'm going to add Tom and then I'm going to add what June ate. So I'm going to put an addition sign there and we're going to get our total. So we can draw it out and we can put it all together, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now as I go back, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Therefore, we have a total of 15 apples that they all ate. That's pictorial. Now, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to erase that, but I'm going to leave the name. And now, what we like to do is we like to use concrete materials, right? So concrete is something physical, something that you can handle, something that you can pick up. So it's going to be the exact same thing as pictorial. However, instead of us drawing this time, we're going to actually maneuver. We're going to use actual concrete materials. So again, Tom ate 9 apples. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 9 over here. So 3, 6, and 9. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add June, which she ate 6 apples. So we got 3 and we have 6. Now here's the thing. We want to make sure that we understand what we're doing. So these are my numbers, 9 and 6. So I have Tom that represents 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I have June, which represents 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I add these together, it should give me the exact same thing. I know that I have 9 over here. So what's after 9? You guessed it. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh my goodness. 3 ways that we solve this problem. Number 1, we did our count on. Number 2, we did it pictorially. And number 3, now we added concrete materials. That's all for our minute math. Go ahead and check your answers. I have more to you later on today.